Let's talk about the Artemis 2 mission. What is fake and what's real? I don't really keep up with the news. What's going on out there in the world? I saw that we were shooting Katy Perry to space on a dick rocket. TV off, back outside. Is there a hidden hand behind the government controlling the strings? I still got a lot of the same questions. And I started to think, much like, how did they build the pyramids of Giza? More interesting question is why? It's easy to point the finger at money, power, control, but I think the scariest question to ask is that for our own benefit somehow? We are a reckless bunch, society. To the degree that we are expecting an external power to come and save us, politics, religion, we're also creating that thing at the same time, if that makes sense. We're creating a state of dependency. The more we give up our responsibilities for rights. And as the herds form, call forth the need for shepherds. Not all shepherds are benevolent. Some are wolves in disguise. The institutions that we have faith in, political and public figures that we not all look up to, but look at. So what if these missions are just a narrative for us to digest? Was it staged for pure control, or was it staged to protect us from one another, try and unite us under something? I didn't really like it when that lady astronaut said that Earth to her, I guess when they were far away from it, looked really small, isolated, unassuming, alone, surrounded by the void, the blackness of space. To the ancients, you were that blackness. You were that cosmos. Without that overarching layer to our shared identity, how can we unite? How can we see each other as reflections of the constellations, reflections of the cosmos, of each other? I don't know if we can really remember what it is to be human without digging that story back up, without returning to the cosmos. What if tech has to first control us before it can unify us? What if that's the real acceptance of the human condition? When we talk about peace and love and harmony, cooperation, community, aren't we really calling for that to be constructed around us? If you want a chance to let that rise up organically, you got to start with you.